In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text over an image using Wix. This is a simple and effective way to make your website visually appealing and to communicate more directly with your audience. So let's dive right in. First, we need to get to the Wix website. Open up your web browser and navigate to the Wix website by entering wix.com in the address bar. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one to follow along. Once you've logged in, you'll want to access the Wix Editor. Head to the dashboard and select the site you're working on. Click on Edit Site to open the editor. Now, let's handle the image component. In the editor, look at the toolbar on the left-hand side and click on the Add button, which looks like a plus sign. From there, select Image. If you already have an image on your site that you want to use, click directly on that image. Otherwise, you're going to need to decide where this image is going to come from. You have a couple of options here. If you have your own image ready to go, select Upload and import your image from your computer. Simply click Upload Media, browse your files, select the desired image, and hit Open. This uploads your image into the Wix editor, ready for use. Alternatively, if you prefer to use a stock photo from Wix, click on Choose Image and scroll through the various categories of stock images available. Find one that fits your needs and simply drag the image from the panel onto your page where you want it. Once your image is in place, we'll move on to adding text. Go back to the left side toolbar and click on Add again. This time, choose Text. You'll see a variety of text types available: titles, headings, or plain body text. Click and drag the text box option that suits your design over onto the image. After placing your text, click inside the text box to edit it. Type out the text you wish to display. Think carefully about the message and how you want to communicate it to your audience. Editing your text is crucial for making it stand out. Look for the font icon in your toolbar to explore different fonts. Choose a font style and size that complements your image. Additionally, adjusting the text color can greatly impact visibility and aesthetics. Make sure that your text is legible against the background of the image. To do this, click on the paint palette icon and pick a color that enhances readability. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to save your changes to ensure nothing is lost. Click the Save button at the top right of your screen. And that's it! You've now added text over an image in Wix. Don't forget to preview your site to see how it looks live, and make any final adjustments if necessary. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, with Wix, the more you experiment and explore, the more creative and personalized your site will become. Happy editing!